because you get to see.
Oh, that's good. You can actually put it inside the car. These two wiper blades.
When they're making it a
yeah, just anywhere. They're tossing.
You're gonna record right now?
Yeah, I'm just kind of gonna start up the day.
Intro.
Yeah, just gonna start up the day. We're gonna have to clean this first. Clean this puppy.
Guess what movie this is?
Yeah, it's pretty smooth actually. It's pretty good.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Hey, say hi.
What's up?
Say you like the VITO'S garage, huh?
I like VITO'S garage.
Yeah, there you go. That's
subscribe.
Awesome. Subscribe, yeah, guys. Sure, subscribe and like the videos and stuff we do.
And you're like, this is so and so all grown up, and it's just like Sigourney Weaver from Aliens.
Brand new head, pretty much refurbished head that we got from the junkyard, which is right there. Alright, we'll leave it there for now. Look at that thing.
This is someone from the junkyard?
Yeah, we got this from the junkyard.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, it's like brand new pretty much. It's like,
this thing's badass.
yeah. So it has no cracks, it's all good to go. We just gotta clean it up. I can actually change the spark plugs at the same time.
Right now?
We'll see while it's out probably. Yeah, so might do that.
I can change the spark plugs.
Yeah, we will see. Let's figure out our plan for today. Hey doggy. He's such a good helper.
It looks like the car's going 100 miles an hour. They hit those big blades and it just.
Alright, I'm gonna clean this surface. No, it's on. As you remember, it just goes like dark to save the battery and stuff. So yeah.
This guy, you know, calls Danny Trail was his sponsor, so we called Danny. He was like, "Hey, come help me stay sober." Danny they showed up and they said, "Hey, you'd be perfect for this part," because he looked all mean. And they had him play the part, so then he just started playing smaller parts of.
Well, the story I heard, I don't know if it's the first story or not, is that.
So just preparing the cylinder head. Cleaning all this stuff up. I'm gonna install new spark plugs at the same time while the head is out, and we're gonna get ready to set this bad boy back on the car. Surfaces are all smooth and nice. Yeah, this is all smooth, so it should be good. I'm using the iridium spark plugs. Really good spark plugs. These are actually not that bad. Let's see what brand this is.
The ones in there?
I don't know what brand. MGK actually. They're not bad, so we can save those up too. But we're gonna put these new ones. So a little bit of grease on the threads, and here we go.
All I need to do is put this.
Actually, I have the head on the couple pieces of wood.
Right there.
So should be good there.
Right.
And the cylinder head is locked actually, the top dead center with this tool. Nicely cleaned up. Now, surface is all nicely prepared, smooth, all good. So here it is, and what we're gonna do is preparing the head now. New spark plugs and stuff. Yeah, she's coming along. Injector seals, changing those. So we got new injector seals. These are old ones and they actually had bad cracking on them if you kind of try to spread it. Had bad cracking. So now I'm gonna clean the intake manifold and change these gaskets right here. Oh boy. There's stuff in there. Got new ones here. 6 of them. Oh, that's actually a different one here. Part.
Everyone talking about this DJ Khaled album that dropped. New music on Q97.1. DJ Khaled sends up on this track. It's called Just Us. New music on Q97.1.
Right. New ones. The head gasket we're using. This is all prepared.
Want to get that Volkswagen tonight.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's available or no?
It's available. CDs in there. I want to hear some of that music.
Yeah.
I almost put a Russian music in there.
Oh, I don't care.
Alright guys, so we're almost done here. I'm just putting everything back, reconnecting all the connectors. We're not gonna install the cooling system just yet, the coolant. We're gonna start it first, but I reconnected everything. The throttle body, new throttle body sensor was, the gasket was put on, everything's torqued down, nav sensor, everything is good. Now I'm just putting this cover back on and all that stuff. And yeah, last thing will be the oil change that we're gonna have to do, and then hopefully everything is okay so we can start it finally.
Alright.
Milkshake draining. So, ready to put the valve cover on, the gasket. Later we're gonna reinstall the wiper cowl, all that stuff, but I want to start this car. I'm not gonna put coolant in it just yet. Just want to start it, see if everything is okay. So everything is pretty much reconnected, tightened. What we're gonna do is we're gonna top off, put the oil in, gonna put new oil in, and then reconnect the battery and try to start this puppy. Everything is good here. Yeah, hopefully everything is well. It's a rainy day today. Yeah, that's the milkshake that we got from the oil. Nasty. So, which one was full? Oh, start with this one then. It doesn't matter really.
I kind of want to double check how much oil goes in.
You're good. It's gonna take that one for sure.
Yeah.
So go ahead.
I don't know if that fuel pumps.
What?
The fuel thing is like, I don't know how much gas is actually in there. You know.
He said he filled it up to maximum. He said just the sending unit doesn't work. Double check everything quickly. Yeah, this goes to the filter box, but I think it's fine. It's just
belt or nothing.
nah, it should be good. You tightened this, right? The valve cover?
Yeah.
Kinda nervous, man.